Have you ever imagined your smartphone transforming into a wearable device? At Lenovo Tech World 23, Motorola unveiled a revolutionary concept, the Motorola Bent Phone. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge features of this innovation and the vision it holds for the future. Motorola took center stage at Lenovo Tech World 23, revealing the adaptive display concept, an Android phone with a 6.9-inch POLD display that can be bent to create a more compact 4.6-inch screen. The flexibility extends to various forms, such as a wrist-worn setup and a self-standing base, aka the tent mode, where the phone can rest gracefully on a table. The concept's bendable display isn't just about size adjustments. It can be fashioned around the wrist, like a bracelet, or set up as a self-standing base. Pairing this display flexibility with AI-driven features opens doors to a novel smartphone experience, creating wallpapers matching the user's outfit, a blend of style and functionality. While this concept phone is an exciting leap in smartphone design, crucial questions about durability, comfort during extended use, and protective casing remain unanswered. As this concept evolves, questions about pricing and availability are yet to be addressed. Motorola's adaptive display concept showcases a promising future in smartphone design, introducing flexibility that challenges traditional phone limitations. Although it's too early to determine its commercial release, the concept demonstrates Motorola's commitment to innovation. Bendable phones could potentially offer increased durability, immersive experiences, and versatile usage, heralding a transformative era in smartphone technology. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into Motorola's groundbreaking innovations at Lenovo Tech World 23. Stay tuned for more updates on the ever-evolving landscape of technology and innovation. Until next time.